Welcome to the TurboTax tutorial on standard deductions and itemized deductions. Understanding these concepts is crucial for maximizing your tax savings. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of claiming deductions on your tax return. First, let's start with standard deductions. The standard deduction is a fixed amount that you can subtract from your taxable income, reducing the amount of taxes you owe. The standard deduction amount varies based on your filing status, such as single, married filing jointly, or head of household. For example, if you are single and your taxable income is $50,000, the standard deduction might be $12,400, reducing your taxable income to $37,600. On the other hand, itemized deductions allow you to deduct specific expenses, such as mortgage interest, property taxes, and charitable donations. To itemize deductions, you need to keep receipts and records of these expenses throughout the year. For instance, if you have a mortgage, you can deduct the interest you paid on your mortgage, which can be a significant amount. You can also deduct state and local taxes, medical expenses, and contributions to charity. Now, let's compare standard deductions and itemized deductions. If your itemized deductions exceed the standard deduction amount, it makes sense to itemize. However, if your expenses are less than the standard deduction, it's better to claim the standard deduction. For example, if you have $15,000 in itemized deductions and the standard deduction is $12,400, you should itemize because you can deduct more. To itemize deductions, you will need to fill out Schedule A of your tax return. This form requires you to list all your itemized deductions, including mortgage interest, property taxes, and charitable donations. You can use TurboTax to guide you through this process and ensure accuracy. In conclusion, understanding standard deductions and itemized deductions is essential for minimizing your tax liability. By keeping track of your expenses and using tax software like TurboTax, you can make informed decisions about which type of deduction to claim. Remember to always keep receipts and records of your expenses and consult with a tax professional. If you have any questions, with TurboTax, you can easily navigate the tax filing process and maximize your deductions.